Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So unfortunately I have to bring you another video of a recall. And this one's a little bit surprising because it's a brand new vehicle and it's a whole new platform as far as the technology and all that kind of stuff goes. So it's a little bit more concerning if they're already having issues with this, since this is going a totally different direction than Honda and Acura has already been. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just happened. And I'll see what you guys' thoughts are on this. So you all know about the new Acura ZDX. It's a full electric vehicle they just came out with. Well, unfortunately, it was just hit with a recall. And like I said, this is concerning because it's their first full electric vehicle that they made as far as Acura goes. And it already has an issue. And this is kind of a major issue that it has. And here's the problem it's having. It says some of the vehicles are produced with loose front passenger stabilizer bar bracket bolts. It's a mouthful. And due to this, the bar could detach from the frame, and you can see how that would be a major issue. And what they're saying here is that the battery cables or the battery coolant lines, which are real close to where this is, could also be damaged if that bar detaches. And what they're saying is if the cables or coolant lines are damaged by the bracket or the stabilizer bar, the vehicle would shut off unexpectedly. So you could see how that would definitely increase the risk of a crash if you're just driving down the road and you didn't even know it and the car just shuts off. Or if you're going around, like say some twisties in the hills, that would be a major issue. And Honda said that they found the reason for this is the actual tool that is used for tightening the bolts wasn't configured correctly. So in the repair, like all of them, is Acura dealers will inspect and properly fasten the bolts, and if necessary, in case there's any damage, the service technicians would repair the bar, bracket, high voltage cables, or the coolant lines. So anything that's damaged under there, they'll replace it. And since this vehicle was made in a collaboration between Honda and General Motors, General Motors actually reached out and said that the tool that they used is set to the correct tightening as of October 23rd, 2024. So any vehicle made before October 23rd, 2024 will be one that will be included with potentially having this issue. So the production dates for the affected ones they're saying are March 22nd, 2024 through October 14th, 2024. So an easy way to check, you can go on the sticker inside the door jamb and it'll tell you the date that your car was produced. So you can find out that way and it'll tell you. So if you're before that, you're good to go. If you're after, then you might want to call your dealer to check it, because they will start sending out notifications on February 24th. So just like a week ago, they started sending those out, but I'm not a huge fan waiting for those because a lot of things get lost in the mail. So if your car was manufactured between those times, you can go ahead and give your dealer a call and they can check it out for you. And then if it needs it, they can repair it. Not a big deal. But again, interesting to see that a brand new vehicle like this has this issue. And then now Honda has cut ties with GM and they aren't designing the vehicles together. They're going to do it on their own. So that's kind of interesting. They just did this one, Acura, and then Honda has the Prologue too. So just something interesting. And like I said, it almost feels like every week there's a recall on these vehicles. And it's not just Honda and Acura. It's across the board. There's Toyota has their issues. A lot of them have issues going on. More so now than like 10 years ago. But again, I just want to keep you guys in the loop on that. If you do have one of those vehicles, definitely get it checked out because it is a major thing. I want to keep everyone informed as much as I can. Again, I appreciate all you guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.